If you're wanting to have your students be able to present their work in real time, the Flip has a solution for that. With SmartView Plus, up to 50 students can be simultaneously connected to the Flip wirelessly, and up to 4 students can be sharing at any given time via multi-view. To start, press the side menu or the home button to open the connections. From there, tap SmartView Plus, and this will present you with the connection guide. Once the app is open, choose Flip and use the code on the screen to connect. As you can see, you can connect via mobile, tablet, or PC. But please note, if connecting via mobile or tablet, you'll need to download the Samsung Signage mobile app first. Then, it's just follow the on-screen instructions to get connected. In this example, we have 2 students connected to the display who would like to share a drawing of their pet and tell the classroom some fun facts about their favorite furry friend. So here, you can select one of the students to share their artwork on the screen. And then you can add another student, which also showcases their work right next to each other. As mentioned, in a large classroom environment, you can have up to 4 students displaying their work, all at once and in real time.